Okay, so Peter Purcell Gilpin has just finished his Olympic experience. He's just had the race of his life. An absolutely beautiful race, really well executed. Leading the whole way, looking resplendent. He actually got pipped on the line by Kazakhstan, but I think he can be extraordinarily proud of where he's placed. So he's placed 20th in the world rankings and the Olympic rankings, and that's an exceptional performance. Now, had the semi-finals just worked out a little bit different, he could have been anywhere between 13th and 20th, but you know that it doesn't really matter. The result is not what we look for. We look for the performance and the way he approaches it and the way he delivers the best he can be, and then we look at the results. So I think he can be extraordinarily proud of where he's come. But the most important thing that Peter Purcell Gilpin has achieved is winning the hearts and minds of world rowing. And we can just listen to the commentary to realise that. The way this guy operates is an inspiration to millions. All the Olympic values he holds true to his heart and he espouses in everything that he does. He's an athlete that's always got a smile on his face, he's always got a thumbs up for people, he's always helping other people and being considerate of other people. And it's those values that I would like any young person to look at, rather than his achievements, which are great, but to say, I want to operate like Peter Purcell Gilpin, and I want to take those things into my family life and my friendships, and you know, and if I have children, to try to bring them up with those same values that Peter has shown to the world at this Olympic Games. I think Zimbabwe should be extraordinarily proud and get right behind this guy for everything that he does and moving forward with all those great values and principles at the heart of everything that he does. So he's done Zimbabwe proud, he's done himself proud. I couldn't be any prouder of the way he operates and the way he sculls, his beautiful sculler. So I think be inspired by how he operates and get behind those Olympic values and understand those Olympic values, and you will then feel the same fulfillment and success in anything that you do. Thanks a lot. Over and out. Stevo.
Thank you.